guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is an exciting video. I'm treating my hair. I got this amazing package from Harman from Spabotanica, as you guys know from the title. She was so kind enough to send me this care package, which is amazing in itself. If you live in Winnipeg, she owns a beauty spa bar experience. It's amazing, and she's just the sweetest human alive. So I'm gonna share with you guys what's in this box and my amazing, first of all, facial experience. Beyond, like, it was insane. But anyways, if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you are part of the family. That'd be great. So first things first, this beautiful box, Spabotanica, I'm just gonna read you from here what is it about. So Spabotanica is located in the beautiful River Heights area of 1459 Corydon Avenue. Basically, their philosophy is simple: to create an urban retreat that truly is naturally relaxing. And they did not disappoint. I am actually filming this video after. I was going to film this video before, but I'm so happy that I'm filming it after because I get to share with you guys my amazing experience, and I get to take you along with me for the experience. So basically, they specialize in Ayurvedic services and proudly use one of the finest natural and organic products ingredients. Our goal is for you to leave feeling relaxed, rejuvenated, and to help you reach a state of complete well-being. We are pleased to invite you to our spa for a complimentary service. We have chosen a unique service for you, so it's called the Om Fresh Facial. So basically, I did not read this. I just saw the like super cute little pamphlet that said Om Facial. I'm like, oh great, you know, just getting a facial. Like, I did not know what to expect. I should have read it. But basically, it's enjoy a 90-minute facial customized to you and your skin needs, desires. From anti-aging, nourishing, to clarifying, this experience includes a light hot stone massage, multiple house-made natural masks, optional extractions. You will leave feeling cleansed, relaxed, and refreshed. That is an understatement. I'm not joking. I was very, very relaxed. I was very like tired and I didn't do anything. Like literally just laid there. But it was so amazing. Basically, they offer so many array of services. They offer anything to hands and feet, body treatments. They have a body glow, full body exfoliation and shower and light massage, customized body wrap, localized Basti treatment. They have massage, Swedish hot stone, like a bunch, couples massages, which is amazing. The facials, they have spa packages, they have brows, lashes, hair, waxing. They literally carry everything all. I will leave them linked down below on where you can find them and like basically where their services are, etc., etc. What is in this box is a crescentwood chandelier candle that they basically partnered for the custom Spabotanica scent. So this is notes of citrus and basil intertwined with crisp birch and pine. So I have yet to light this candle up, but I wanted to share it with you guys first. They actually have the Huna, which is the skin nutrition balm, and it's vegan. This stuff was used on my face, and I could tell because I remember opening this and I smelt it. And I was like, oh, that's it's really refreshing, really pretty. As soon as I put it on my face, I was like, oh my God, this is the stuff. So I got really excited. So it's a big part of their spa. Huna is a Canadian premium skincare brand using organic ingredients. And then we have, oh my God, we had this chocolate, so the cutest. It's Constance Pop Chocolates. Chocolatier Constance Pop has been producing fresh premium artisan chocolates, cakes, and frozen treats since 2007. And then the next thing is Dinardi Wines, of course. Like, come on, we cannot not have this. So supporting local is important to us. That's why we shop together. Yeah, get your champagne at Dinardi Wines. And this is Prosecco, extra dry. So my favorite. I love this stuff. These little guys that came on the packaging. I have inserted pictures. I'm sure you guys already saw. These guys are, I don't remember what she said, but she said that these flowers were very important and they do smell. I don't remember what she said, but these flowers were like perfect decor. And I'm gonna take you into my vlog. So there's part of a vlog in here of the experience, what I felt and how I felt after. So let's go check it out. Hey guys, so I just got to my appointment. I'm gonna have this amazing facial. Happy Wednesday, happy gorgeous Wednesday. You guys, it's beautiful here today. So I'm on my way to go to Spabotanica and I'm getting the Om facial. She'll explain everything to you and tell you all the details. I can't wait to share. It's like so fun. Yes. So pretty. Hello. Hi. I'm good. Say hi. So pretty in here. Oh my goodness. So good. Perfect. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Sorry, just gonna feel like it. So where do my head goes?
Oh,
there?
on there. Yeah, I will explain everything.
Okay, perfect.
So
Okay.
it's your first time here?
Yeah, I've never been here
Okay.
before.
So this is the basket for you can use for your stuff.
Okay.
And for the facial, we start with the little bit back massage. So you have to take off your upper coat, including your bra.
Okay.
And lay down under the blanket, doing face down.
Face down.
And your head should be on the head feeder.
Okay.
And if you have any jewelry, any watch, you can take off that one because we're going to do the massage.
Okay.
And do you have any allergy? Any concern?
No, nothing.
And do you have, how you describe your skin for facial?
I would say my skin is pretty good. It's a little bit sensitive, but it gets dry in winter. But summer it's very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So essentially like it gets red easily or
Very easy. Yeah. So I'll be red after this, which I know. Yeah.
So that's the reactive like
Yeah, that's
Okay.
with anything. Yeah, I always get
okay,
red.
okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any question?
No, I'm
So
excited.
you can get ready and I
Okay.
will lock the door before I come in and myself is Kurinda and you are Leslie.
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 Yeah, that's okay. No worries.
Okay.
Thank you.
So get ready.
Okay.
I will lock the door.
Fantastic. I don't know if I can record this, but it's beautiful. You guys can see. I don't know. I just finished my facial. It was amazing. Make sure you guys come see Harman,
Yes.
and just tell them a little bit of yourself.
Yeah.
Where are you
so-
located?
Yeah, of course.
The
Yeah, so
services?
we are located right in River Heights. So we're a small boutique style spa. So we're Ayurvedic spa. So we do everything. We make our own mask here. We make our own scrubs here. We follow Ayurveda, and we do all different kind of Ayurvedic services. So please check us out. We do have a website, Spabotanica.ca, or on Instagram page. Follow us.
Yay.
Thank you so much.
Of
Leslie.
course, thank you. So as you guys saw, I just finished my facial. It was amazing. It was bomb.com. Make sure you guys go check out. You guys, I'm really tired. You know what? Make sure you guys use code Leslie15 if you guys decide to come here and use their services. But we're gonna go back to Pretty Leslie because I'm really tired and I gotta drive home. But yeah, this is a great way to do things like together. So good. That's it for me. As Leslie said over there, welcome back to me. That experience was beyond. Again, I did not read. I just basically showed up, made the appointment. They were super accommodating, super kind, super like the hospitality was so amazing, and the way that I felt was so comfortable, so nice. Like I've really never really had a hot stone massage. Like I went there for a facial and I got a back massage with the hot stone and everything, and the facial itself was so relaxing. Like the smells, the feeling, I was so relaxed, and especially getting a massage on my arms, even with her like extracting, wasn't even painful at all. Like my skin felt so good. I felt so good. Again, just having that experience was such an amazing experience. And I was so thankful to Harman for allowing me into her space and being the amazing host, and a business that she does is just so amazing, that is so kind, and that's what we need more in the world. Especially like, you know, these times. If you do ever get a chance to visit Winnipeg, or if you do already live in Winnipeg, Manitoba, please go check out Harman at Spabotanica. I promise you, you will not regret it. It is such an amazing experience. So the best part is that when I asked her, I was like, can I film a video? She was like, oh my God, absolutely. Like I would love that. I love that I'm able to do that on my platform. I love this platform. I built it from the ground up, basically. The best part is that if you use Leslie15, you will get 15% off your service. So please use that code. You help them by helping them use my name. It would be so amazing. I do not own any commission with this code, but please go use it. It's like a gift because I got a gift and I feel like it's a gift to you guys to just experience it. But if you're able to share it with like a loved one or like anybody, that would be so amazing. So again, thank you so much again to Harman and the whole team. Beyond amazing, so fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like, thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below on what service you might try out, or have you been to Spabotanica? That'd be so amazing. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so we can grow. Hit the notification bell so you are notified so you can watch my video as soon as it drops. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.